फ्रेंड्स, गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीवन एंड आई होप कि आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। सो इन द लास्ट क्लास जैसे मैंने आपके साथ सिनोनिम्स के बारे में डिस्कस किया, तो आज मैं चाहता हूं कि एंटोनिम्स के बारे में बात कर ली जाए बिकॉज इट इज ऑल्सो एन इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक इन द रीट एग्जाम सिस्टम। सो सबसे पहले वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन द एटिमोलॉजी ऑफ द वर्ड एंटोनिम। जैसे हमने सिनोनिम के एटिमोलॉजी के बारे में बात की, उसी तरीके से टुडे आई हैव टू लाइक टू डिस्कस और एंटोनिम्स। जैसे कि सिनोनिम ग्रीक लैंग्वेज से ड्राइव किया गया था इंग्लिश में, उसी तरीके से एंटोनिम वर्ड जो है वो ग्रीक से लिया गया है एंड इट हैज टू पार्ट्स। जैसे कि दैट इज एंटी, एंटी जो है प्रीफिक्स है एंड इट मीन्स अगेंस्ट, or you can say opposition, or you can say opponent, you can say counter, etc. Come to the next part of the word antonym, that is onym. जैसे कल हमने डिस्कस किया था, onym means name and name consider the meanings. So if we discuss about the antonym, it means a pair of more than a pair of words having different meanings, opposite meanings, or against of the meanings, or you can say counter meanings. That is the antonym. Second is why we have need of antonyms in English communication. So what happens, we have four different scenarios, or you can say four different ways to use antonyms in our English language communication. Number one is avoiding ambiguity. Ambiguity means dual meaning. If we use the antonyms in our communication, so it means it should not be ambiguity. We must have to avoid the dual meanings. Number two, creative communication. It means when we use the antonyms, it creates an excellent level of the communication. Number three, effective expressions. So it means when we use the antonyms in our communication, it means it creates effective expressions on the listeners. Number four, there is problem solving. And it actually used in the science when there is a force, gravity, something else. So we have a need of the antonym words to solve the problems. Now come to the examples of the antonyms, how they worked against of each other. So we have to come here, discuss the examples of the antonyms in a different way to find out. As we discussed in the synonym, the words belongs to the same grammatical category or parts of speech. So come to the examples of antonyms. So for example, good, it is the antonym of bad. Next is, you can say hot, it is the antonym of cold. Happy, antonym of sad. Push, antonym of pull. Give, antonym of take. Borrow, antonym of lend. Sweet, antonym of sour. And we have here like happy, that is sad. Happy sometime is the antonymy of unhappy. So other examples we have here, like that is left is the antonym of right, up is the antonym of down, inside is the antonym of outside, okay, active is the antonym of passive, speak is the antonym of dumb. So many examples we have here, but main point is that how to find out antonyms, because जैसे कि हमने डिस्कस किया सिनोनिम्स में कि सिनोनिम्स जितने भी हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ द सिनोनिम्स बिलोंग टू द सेम कैटेगरी, दैट इज पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. उसी तरीके से एंटोनिम्स भी सेम कैटेगरी से बिलोंग करते हैं. वी हैव टू एनालाइज हियर, लाइक गुड इज एडजेक्टिव, bad is also adjective, hot is adjective, cold is also adjective, happy adjective, sad adjective, push is verb, pull is also verb because of action, give is verb, take is verb, borrow is verb, land is verb, sweet is adjective, sour is adjective, happy is adjective, unhappy is adjective, left is preposition, right is preposition, up is preposition, down is preposition, inside is preposition, outside is preposition, active is adjective, passive is adjective, speak is verb, dumb is also verb. So we have to see here all the words of the antonyms belong to the same parts of speech. So that is the key to identify antonyms as well as synonyms we discussed in the previous lecture. So I have to continue in the second part of the antonyms, types of antonyms. So thank you so much. Please give the feedback and subscribe my channel.